Happy holidays, everyone! And so I'm back, and this video would be the unboxing video of a new collection from Louis Vuitton. And right now, Louis Vuitton has a new collection when it comes to their Neverfull. The usual Neverfull just come with just the ordinary bag, and the one that we have right now, which will be produced for just 6 months, and that's why they say that this is a limited edition. The Neverfull that has, particularly the monogram print that has a fuchsia, yellow, and beige in color with a pouch in it. So if you want to see this unboxing video, just stay tuned and I'll show you now. So this is what I got for Christmas, an early holiday gift for me. So let me go ahead and open it for you guys. This is the new packaging, and this is actually the card that comes with it. Okay, so let me go ahead and unbox it. Well, it has a really cute box for, I think this is for the Christmas season. And anyway, yeah, let's go ahead and open it. This is the box. And ta-da! This paper. Well, actually, this is the first time for me to open this purchase since since we bought this yesterday, just yesterday. So let me go ahead and remove the tape that has Louis Vuitton in it. And ta-da! So this is what we call the dust bag that always come with any Louis Vuitton bag, original Louis Vuitton bag. Even fake one has though. But anyway, it's here. So this is the bag. Let's go ahead and open it. Ta-da! Yeah. So this is not actually new. Well, the design itself has its the normal design that only comes in beige, but this one comes in fuchsia interior, as you can see, and it has a pouch in it. You see, which is also detachable here in this D-ring here. So let me go ahead and detach that for you. Okay, so let me talk first about the pouch. Well, this is the pouch that it comes with. And by the way, only the monogram has this limited collection. The limited edition, they said. Only the monogram print has this kind of new design. And this is the pouch. If you can see the camera, it looks like red, but guys, girls, this is a fuchsia. And so there is a pocket inside the vision, and the other one is just simply like that. So you can remove this actually, and well, what others do, well, Louis Vuitton does do, is that you can make it like a pouch by itself. So if you just want to go to a party or anything else that you wanted to only use your pouch, you can use this one. Alright, so let me talk about the bag. This is the interior. You see how beautiful it is. This actually comes in beige and yellow also. I died there. And as usual, it comes with this pocket in here, and the date code you can see in here. So that's the date code, and this is the what do you call this, material. And the actual, wait, I think, this is the serial number, I mean the model number, the Neverfull monogram Fuchsia. Okay, let me go ahead and pause for a while. I'll show you the receipt. Okay, so this is the back. Let me give you a one look again. So nice. Alright, so yeah. Alright, so I'm back. And this is the receipt, guys. Well, this is from my Gucci bag though. Anyway, this is the receipt. Because yesterday I was using my Gucci bag, and I don't know why this was there. This is the receipt of that Gucci bag as well. Anyway, talking about the Louis Vuitton receipt and how much it is. Well, here in the Philippines, it actually comes in to receive the sales invoice. Okay. And well, the receipt always comes with this initial, of the initial. And yeah, so this is the receipt under my name, of course. And yeah, how much it cost, 57,000. Alright, so anyway, I think that would be all to talk about, and I'm happy with this purchase. I think about it. I researched though in YouTube, and I haven't seen this collection being aired on YouTube yet, so I think it's better for me to post one, so you would have an idea if you wanted to buy this limited edition Neverfull that will be produced within 6 months only, according to the sales assistant who have assisted me in buying this. So what else? If you have questions, please do comment below. And yeah, thank you for watching, and have a great day, everyone. Happy holidays. Bye.